Hey everyone, welcome back to Mr. Holland's Classroom. Today we're going to be doing UFLI lesson 39A, day 2, where we're doing the short U review. Short U review, that's kind of weird to say. But anywho, let's move on to the next slide. So we're going to take a look at our schedule. We're going to start with our review, then go into our next section. So we're going to take a look at the short U sounds. So you can say like up. That's our short U. U, up. So we're gonna find it in the middle of words like cut or on, okay? Or you can find it at the beginning of words like up and us. Great job. So when we say U, short U, see that mark? That's the short vowel mark, means it goes okay? So we spelled like U. Good. Moving on from that. This is how you write uppercase U. I love this part. You start at the very top, you come down to the bottom, and you come back up to the top. So in foundations, you would call that the skyline, all the way down to the grass line. Anywho, let's all read together. Are you ready? Up, us, cut, run. That's it. All right, so now we're gonna do word work. So I'm gonna put my board up. My friends are gonna get their boards and their markers out so we can do this next part. Okay, so if you don't have a board like this is our foundations boards that we're using. If you don't have a board like this, we use these kind of like El Conan boxes, but if you don't have that, just use a piece of paper or another dry erase board or something like that. But we're gonna go ahead and get started. So what we're gonna do is a word ladder. So we're gonna start by spelling out a word. So in this case, the first word is gonna be us. S. And I segmented the sounds, put the vowel in the middle. You'll see why in a second. But I'm segmenting them by their phonemes. So sometimes I'll have to like put blends together, digraphs, but bear with me. All right, so the next word is bus. B-us. So I just need to add a B. Okay. Then we're going to change bus to butt. Awesome. Now we're gonna change butt to nut. Okay, I gotta change this. Then we're gonna change nut to net. Notice that when I split up the word into its phonemes, its sounds, I can isolate which one needs to change. I don't have to erase the whole thing. I just need to change the one spot. So for this next one, let's do that. So this is net. Now we need to change it to set. 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 Oh, so the et is the same, but s needs to change. Okay. Now we're going to change set to get. G. Et. G. Okay. The next word we're going to change is to got, or not got. I was thinking about got. Gut. G. Okay, so it's this one that needs to change. G. Put the little leg there so it doesn't roll over. Okay, now we're going to change gut to cut. 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 Mr. Holland, is it a C or a K? K takes I and E. That's not I or an E. So C takes the other three. Good. Now we're going to change cut to cup. Cup. All right, great. Now we're going to change cup to cub. Cub. All right, now we're going to change cub to rub. Rub. Oh, we need to change the first one. B. Then we're going to change rub to rut. Rut. That's why I love using our dry erase markers, because we can just quickly like wipe the letter away and change it. Now we're going to change rut to run. Fun fact, did you know that a U and and an N are like the same, except for this one is like upside down. Interesting. All right, so now we're gonna change run to sun. Then we'll change sun to some. This one's fun because you could just do this. Change the M to an N real quick. All right, and we got like 2 more. Next one is hum. Hum. And then the last one, spit out your gum. G. All right, that's it for our word work. So go ahead and erase your boards, and then meet me back for the irregular words. And today we are only reviewing, and we only have 4 that we need to review. So let's take a look at those. Ready? Let's go. Yeah. Go ahead, press it. All right, here's our review words. First one is look, book, are, was. Okay. If you guys want to take some time to practice spelling those, you can. But we're going to move on to our last part, which is the connected text. So this is where I need everyone to take a look up here. I'm going to have my boys read this one. Are the pigs in the mud? You notice how I said it with a question mark there? Girls.
Look at the bug in the tub.
And there's an exclamation point, so you say, look at the bug in the tub. Or if you're in my house, you go, ah! Anywho. All right, now everyone read this with me. The mug was on the book. Good. Now we're not gonna practice spelling. You can if you want to, like, give a sentence to the class and then you write it down. But we're gonna move into our decodable text. So if you're with it, come read with me. Cub and pup. Cub and pup are buds. Cub and pup have lots of fun. Cub runs in the sun. Pup digs in the mud. Cub and pup are hot and wet. The fun must stop. Cub and pup must get in the tub. The buds have fun in the suds. The fun did not stop. Okay, that's it. Give yourselves a round of applause. Pat on the back, kiss on your brain, and we will see you next time. Bye, everyone.